Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of international cooking, with a special focus on the Mediterranean diet. If you're looking for healthy, delicious meals you can whip up in no time, you've come to the right place. Our easy recipes can be cooked in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for busy schedules without compromising on flavor. Join us to discover quick and nutritious meals that bring a taste of the Mediterranean to your kitchen.
Let's make a sour chicken kebab. Step 1 to 1 pound chicken breast, cut into cubes. Step 2. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Step 3. 2 tablespoons yogurt. 2 tablespoons pomegranate juice. Step 4 to 1 cup chopped yellow onion. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. 2 cloves garlic, smashed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 cup crushed walnuts. A pinch of dried basil. 1/2 cup chopped parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Wooden or metal skewers. Introduction. At Afsan Farm Media Production. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the lemon juice, yogurt, pomegranate juice, chopped onion, ginger paste, garlic, olive oil, ground cumin, crushed walnuts, dried basil, parsley, and salt. Add the chicken cubes and mix well to ensure the chicken is fully coated with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or overnight for better flavor. 2. Skewer the chicken. Thread the marinated chicken cubes onto the skewers. 3. Cook the kebabs. Preheat a grill or stovetop pan over medium heat. Grill the chicken skewers for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally, until the chicken is fully cooked and slightly charred. 4. Serve hot, garnished with extra parsley or a side of your favorite dip. Enjoy your flavorful sour chicken kebabs. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you for watching.